If you love Wagamama's Firecracker Chicken, this is my version of that sweet and spicy chicken stir fry. It's delicious and simpler to make than you might think. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. If you've not tried Firecracker Chicken, then you're seriously missing out. It's such a tasty stir fry, one that really tickles the taste buds. We're going to start by marinating the chicken. In a bowl, add a tablespoon of vegetable oil, a red chilli that's been finely chopped, a tablespoon of chilli sauce, 2 garlic cloves that have been minced, 4 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, a tablespoon of malt vinegar, a tablespoon of tamarind paste, a tablespoon of fish sauce, and a pinch of white pepper. Mix all that together. Then pour a third of that marinade into a bowl with 3 chopped chicken breasts. Mix to coat the chicken, then cover with some cling film or a wax wrap and marinate for at least an hour or up to overnight. After the chicken's marinated for about an hour, we're going to bring all of those flavours together. I've got a pan of rice on to boil here, and the aim is to get the Firecracker chicken ready in the time it takes to boil the rice, which is about 20 minutes. Heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil on a high heat in a wok or a large frying pan until hot. Scoop the chicken out of the marinade and cook in the wok until slightly browned and almost cooked right through. Then add in a thickly sliced onion and cook for a further 2 minutes to soften the onion just slightly. Add in the reserved marinade and heat through while stirring until bubbling. Next in goes a red and a green chopped bell pepper, 85 grams or a cup of mangetout or snow peas, and 12 arbol dried chillies. Cook for a minute and then stir through a small bunch of chopped spring onions or scallions. Check one of the larger pieces of chicken to make sure it's cooked through in the middle, and then turn off the heat. And now I'm going to show you how to get that signature mound of rice in the middle of the plate. Take your boiled rice and spoon it into a small bowl. Then push it down with the back of a spoon until compacted. Then place a serving plate on top and turn the whole thing over. Spoon the Firecracker chicken around the rice and then sprinkle the top of the rice with sashimi powder and sesame seeds, and then we're going to finish it off with a lime wedge. And that's how you make Firecracker chicken at home. Can't wait to eat this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new recipes every Monday and Thursday. See you next time.